The code 59 in the Chevy Spark mostly means that the battery in your car has died and the driver's door window will need to be recalibrated. The calibration procedure is quite simple. Press the window button firmly and hold it till the window is all the way down, then wait a couple of seconds and then pull the button and hold it while the window is all the way up. But be careful with this reset, because sometimes if you have a very unlucky day, you may roll the window down and then it will not roll back up. So if the car is in the parking lot of a supermarket, you will have to leave it with an open window till you get some help. So first of all, you may drive with that code 59. It's just a window code after all. Drive to a safe place like your garage and then try recalibrating the window. At least the car is in the garage and you can leave it with an open window. Now, if this unlucky thing happened to you, you may try disconnecting the battery for 5 minutes and then trying to recalibrate the window again. Also, checking the fuse for the power window may help. This is the fuse number 31 in the interior box for the 2015 Chevy Spark, for example. Anyway, you may need professional help in such a case, but I hope you could just reset that code 59 with window calibration.